Look at this. And the first thing he buried was his head. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. He says, I was sleeping. You woke me up. You just let me sleep? It's my bedtime. I will. Alright. He's just, this is his bedtime, you know. And from what I understand, these aren't a lizard, type of lizard that you really handle a lot. I'm trying to show you this little guy, trying to get a good picture of him. So let's we are going to, alright, I'm trying to get you to see a picture of him up close and personal. Alright, you see his eyes are shut and he's trying to sleep. This is his bedtime, but look at the spikes around his head. I believe these things are prehistoric. I don't know that yet, but he is really trying to sleep. His eyes are shut. But you don't see these little guys up close and personal like this. Alright? And you give them water by spraying their body. But I've got this little milk jug lid with dirt in it, just like it would be naturally in water. And so I just wanted to show you this guy up close and personal. And you see the little edges around the outer edge of his body. He'll wiggle himself and vibrate himself right down into the dirt. Alright, and those spines there, not spines, but the way he's designed, he just buries right in. Alright, and so I just gave him a little water and he buried himself right in, and look, his eyes are closed, well, barely open. He doesn't want to be awake. Alright, we're going to leave him alone. And so this is a horny toad. Alright, and I'm gonna, let's see if he'll bury himself in. He just wants to be left alone to answer his food for now. And so I'm gonna help him out. I'm gonna bury him up, make him comfy, and he'll be a happy camper just like he was before I disturbed his sleep. Okay, now we're gonna come over here. I'm making a flat spot for the water to kind of go into. Alright, I'm gonna put his water in here, create a little crevice. Alright, gonna get that packed around. Alright, now he's got water. Alright, we'll catch you next time. We'll give you an update tomorrow. Bye for now. Trying to close it out. Temporary housing.